Hey guys, welcome back to our channel App Onlys, and on this video I'm gonna guide you how to fix Instagram account temporarily locked problem. There might be different reasons why you have been locked on Instagram for temporary reasons. So either Instagram has indicated that you are using third-party app or anything that is banned from Instagram, or else if you try to enter wrong password too many times and Instagram gonna think that you are trying to hack the account, then this might be the reason why your Instagram account has been temporarily blocked or locked. So in order to fix this problem, what you need to do is simply you need to open any browser. That might be Chrome or Safari. For now I am on my Chrome browser on this device. So once you get access on this page, you need to simply type a URL, or on the web address bar you need to type in Instagram account disable form. So on this result section, you can simply find out Instagram Help Center on the second option. So you need to simply tap on Instagram Help Center. So once you get access on this Instagram Help Center, here you can easily find out my Instagram account was deactivated. So it reads that please only submit this form if your account was deactivated for not following Instagram community guidelines. So on this page you need to simply enter your full name, your email address, your Instagram username, your mobile number, and at the end you need to enter and describe all the problem that you are facing, that you want to fix Instagram account temporarily locked problem. And after you have entered all your credentials, you need to tap on send, and after a few hours or waiting for a few days, Instagram will easily or automatically find out all the solution for this problem for you, and in this way you can easily fix Instagram account temporarily locked problem. I hope you found this video useful. If this video was useful, then hit the like button, subscribe, and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any videos from this channel. Thank you guys.